Ah, that's that one. That's for the banana. Okay, I get it. Okay. I'm trying to make a new knife or machine to clean the banana trees up. So yesterday I went to the into central town there, and they have all these little different types of knives. This one, the guy told me is for banana, so that's what I was using. Which is not that good. It wasn't sharp. It's kind of rusty, so that was just a cheap garden saw. So upgrading. Try to attach it to this piece of reel and see how it works. Okay, got my new knife. Let's see how it goes. Wee, so sharp. Actually, a Filipino friend was telling me that you got to clean off all the dead leaves, stops diseases and bugs, and just keeps your banana plants healthier. And you can see this banana plant here. It's just starting to make a fresh bunch of bananas there, which hopefully we get in the next month or two. But see at the bottom, that's the banana blossom, that bit there. And he also told me you cut that off so that the power go into the banana, and yeah, we can eat them as well. So we're gonna try that. Banana blossom.
So I'm going to peel the banana blossom. Oh my goodness. I should peel it outside, not here in the kitchen. But it's okay. Just make a mess. Just use a knife. Last time I harvest or pick banana blossom in this farm, but that one is much bigger than this one, like twice the size, I guess. Maybe yeah, so small. It's very small. Look at that. It's like maybe the size of my heart. Size of my heart. It's only the size of my heart, this one. So tiny. Let's cut it into half. Like this. That's the inside. And we bring it to the boil. Up. Just a little bit. Because our banana blossom is very small. Very cute. So these are our ingredients. The slice. It's better you manage the onion and garlic. Boiling the banana blossom. Crack in here. I think it is ready now. Like this. That's the egg. And the onion. Onion and garlic. And save this for the toppings. Come here. This is the crispy mix. Mix, 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 mix. So let's going to fry this. So let's cover it so it cook faster.